Okay, so in this video we're going to create a wall, a curtain wall that will allow us to put just a normal Revit window family. So let's create our first file. We'll use the architectural template, and in here I will just create a curtain wall. So we use the normal wall. Let's put one like that, and let's duplicate this one just to have as a reference. So one of them will be my curtain wall. I can do whichever one of these. I'll use that one for the sake of this tutorial. I'll go to a 3D view just to show you what I got. So I got these two walls. One is a curtain wall, one is a normal wall. And if I use the window command, I got some windows right here. I can load a better one, a bigger one. So let's go to insert, let's go to load family, and let's change this just to bring a window. So let's see which one do we want to load. For example, let's use a crazy one that I'm sure it will not allow us to put into the curtain wall. Right, so I got it there. I use window. I got the window selected. I can put it in my normal wall, as usual, but in here it won't allow me to. All right, so first step, let's save this. So let's go to File, Save as a project. I'll just put it this to, for my case, you can name it whatever you want. And I'll say that is only going to say one backup. So I don't care about that, but just good practice to give them a backup file. I'll open this family, so I will go inside that family. You know that you cannot delete the wall in here, so that's what we are going to be doing by changing the category. So we'll pick something that I know that I can use. For example, plumbing fixture, right? I don't care about any parameter. I'm just going to print that. And I know that this is a plumbing fixture now. It's not a window, just the category. Nothing else has changed. So now I can save it and close the file. I'll close this one as well. And now we are going to create this other architectural file where I'm going to insert that Revit link. And in here, I'm going to go to collaborate, monitor this file. Now, what I'm going to monitor is the plumbing fixture. So I will click on copy, and I gotta select the plumbing fixture. Remember that in this, when I hover over the element, I gotta see the plumbing fixture written there, right? So I click there, and you will know that it's being monitored because it has that, like the heart symbol right there. Right, so I can select it now and go to edit family. The beauty of this is I can delete that guy, so it's no longer hosted. So if I see here, doesn't have the host, right? Can remove that, enable cutting in views, whatever, but I have it with no host. Now I can change it to back to window. Doesn't matter really, because this is what we are going to be doing now. We are going to go to File, New, and now we are going to create a family. This family is going to be a curtain wall panel, right? That is what we use on curtain walls to place doors and windows, right? So in here, we are going to maybe, we don't have anything, just the reference planes, right? Those guys are reference planes. So we go back to our family, the one that we removed the wall right there. And now we load it into project, but we are not going to load it to the project that we were just working on. We're going to be loading it into our curtain wall panel, right? It will ask us where do we want to place it. It will be up to you. In my case, I'm gonna place it right here. I'm gonna move it anyway. Right, so now we can make sure that this guy is in the center. So I'll look for the center right there, and I make it to be in the center right here. We'll align this with this. And now I also want to align these guys. So everything gotta be aligned because I want my curtain wall to go from this side to this side. And if I go to one of the sides, I also want this guy to be aligned exactly in here. All right. And also the bottom gotta be in the same place. So maybe I'm gonna align this to this. And also align this to this. Okay, like that. Looks good. Good enough for me. I'm gonna save it if you want. So save as a family. You can give it, come on. You can give it the name that you want. In my case, window for curtain wall. All right, let's change the options here. Okay, save it. Cool. And now I can still have it open. I will not close all the way through. I have it right here. All right, I can close the other window. This one is no longer necessary. So I have my curtain wall panel. And I could close the project that we used just to do the copy monitor thing. So now I will open the project, my test 2, which was the original where we are going to test it. So now from the family, I'm going to load into project now, and it's already here. Let's see how we apply it. So this is gonna be cool. So we prepare, your curtain wall the way that you want. We can apply mullions if we want or not. That's totally up to you. But I select one of my curtain panels, and now I should be able to have my option right there. All right, so we see here that it's not matching. It's not matching with what I have created here, but it's really easy to fix. Just need to move this line until it matches, this one, until it matches there with the opening, we told it to go to this line. Maybe we needed to go to the line inside. So let's change that. Let's go to the reference plane. Maybe one of the elevations. Let's see if this works. No. Maybe this one. Okay, that's better. So we want this line to be aligned with maybe this line. Okay. So because they are with the same dimension in here than in here, that will work. So now we will replace the one that we have in here. Now we can keep moving this guy until it fits. Right there. All right. So now we have our window right there. I can continue, modeling these guys, whatever I want. You can even select the, mullion and all grids. That's all totally fine. But I have my window right there. Can remove some of those guys if I don't need them because my window has them. For example, I can delete those guys. Probably the one right there. I don't need it. I don't need that one. See, I can do whatever I want with that. Just now my family is placed. I can do the same with doors, so bring normal doors to my curtain wall.